My name is Paul Cheng, and we have been requested as community leaders to communicate with our residents as well as people in general regarding the specific rules that are currently in place. There is much confusion. The confusion is that we have an order from the federal government, the state government, the county, as well as the city. And many people are asking what rule is in control. Well, for HR 6201, that's going to be triggered on April 2nd, 2020. And we're going to have updates up to April 2nd, 2020. So many of these rules are going to be amended. What we do know is that there is an immediate shelter in place from both Gov Newsoms, who is the governor of the state of California, as well as county, and many cities also have a shelter in place requirement. Many people ask, well, which rule specifically applies? Well, in conflict or in laws where there is confusion, typically what we request people to do, and which really the law requires, is that individuals where there is more restrictive requirements in the law, you comply with. So if you live in the city of Arcadia, if you are in Pasadena, if you are in specific cities, and you find that the city rules are more restrictive, you should comply with that. Now, Governor Newsom's law is very broad, and what that means is that it encompasses many different industries, but you will find that for your specific county or city, you may have an even more restrictive requirement. You cannot look at that as a conflict. What you do need to look at that is something that is supplemental in regard to Gavin Newsom's law. And again, we will be updating the law as we analyze it on a day-by-day basis. We do anticipate for more rules to be able to come out. I do want to say that there have been statements of xenophobia and racism. And I want to say that I have not found that. I have found that the community has come together to love each other and to share with each other. And I want to say that now is the time to protect one specific community that is at risk, and those are our elders. For those of you that have additional supplies that you can be able to share, now is the time. In Arcadia, we have a friend, Mark, on Winnie Way, and he communicated that he has been going door to door to his elders to be able to find out if they have specific needs. That is what we need to do as a community. We need to be able to share our water. We need to be able to share our toilet paper. I can be able to tell you that many elders have called and they need soap. Basic necessities. Now is the time to share. And I want to say this, we are all Americans. Now is the time to stand together as one community and to be able to say that this specific situation will pass. But what will not pass are the negative feelings that we have based upon what has occurred. And I do want to say that if we fight together as one community, if we share resources as one community, we will stand stronger, we will be better together, and our unity as Americans are going to take us further. Because America as a country didn't get to where it was by luck or tricks. We came together as one community, and we will know as we have fought through wars, as we have fought through difficulties, that we will be better, and ultimately we will win. Thank you very much. I am Paul Cheng.